Good morning. I'm here to apply for a visa.
Good morning. Do you have all your documents with you?
Yes, I have my passport, application form, and proof of income.
Great. Please fill out this additional form and take a seat.
Sure. How long is the wait?
About 30 minutes. We'll call your name when it's your turn.
Thank you. Can I ask about the processing time for the visa?
It usually takes 4 to 6 weeks. You'll receive an email when it's ready.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
Good morning. How's everything going?
Morning. Everything's on track so far. How about you?
Busy as usual. Have you finished the report for today's meeting?
Almost. I just need to double check a few numbers.
Great. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks. By the way, did you see the email about the deadline extension?
Yes, I did. That's a relief, isn't it?
Absolutely. It gives us more time to get everything perfect.
Let's catch up after lunch to review the report together.
What a beautiful day. The park is so peaceful.
I know. It's the perfect weather for a walk.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I try to come every weekend. It's a great place to relax.
That's true. I love the fresh air and the sound of the birds.
Me too. Have you tried the coffee at the little cafe near the entrance?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
It's amazing. You should give it a try.
I will. Maybe after our walk. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's get started.
Sure. What's the first item on the agenda?
We need to discuss the progress of the current project.
Everything is going smoothly. We're on schedule.
That's good to hear. Do we have any challenges to address?
Yes, the budget for Phase 2 might need adjustment.
Noted? Let's review that in detail after the meeting.
Sounds good. Anything else to discuss?
That's all for now. Let's reconvene next week for updates.
Hi, I'm here to pick up my daughter, Emma.
Sure, she's in the playground. I'll call her for you.
Thank you. How was her day?
She had a great day. She did really well in art class.
That's wonderful to hear. Does she have any homework?
Yes, just some reading for English class.
Okay, I'll make sure she finishes it.
By the way, there's a parent-teacher meeting next week.
Thanks for letting me know. I'll be there.